Hey guys, it's Kaylee and
Emmy.
And today, as a title, making slime from A to Z. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, be part of the salty crew, and yeah. So first up, we have activator and
For A.
and we have the borax in a little cup.
I know it starts with a B, but we didn't have regular activator, so it's gonna have to do people.
Activator. So we have two activators. So
yeah,
I'm not gonna pour a lot because I know borax is strong. So I'm gonna pour a little too much.
just
Ah,
the
shoot.
table's gonna get a bit messy.
Okay, so
That's good enough for me.
then the borax makes my hands kind of like out.
I'm gonna slide it over there because that's when we're done.
So next up is beads. So we have these wonderful
Beads.
I don't know if we should add them now or after.
We have to do it in order.
Oh yeah. Shoot. Open them. Add
Some nice beads.
Yeah. All that is, we're not going to mix them up till the end. So, it's a wonderful pile of beads.
And we have a broken bead. Look, it's a broken bead.
Aw. Sad.
Sad.
Sorry for touching my nose along this video because it hurts. So, yeah. Ah, God. Okay. For C, we have color, which we're going to be using food dye. I know it starts with an F,
But it's color. Okay, so
coloring, color, whatever.
me and Kaylee are each gonna pick a color. Actually, should we close our eyes?
Yes.
Okay. Mix it all up. Oh.
Ah,
Here, I'll mix it up for you. Oh.
the stupid pink.
That's the black, but it has pink on it.
Okay.
Just take that out because there's none in there anyway.
So yeah, we have pink food dye on our hands, but
Okay. I'll mix it up for you. Okay, go.
ooh, royal blue.
Dang it. Okay.
I don't know what colors is our turn, so let's add some food dye. Okay, so close your eyeballs. The rose pink is what's spilled, which is my favorite color. Go.
Light orange. You know, it's whatever. It's fine.
This is what mine looks like so far. It's beads, blue food dye, and activator. It looks yellow.
It does.
Next ingredient is something. Dish soap.
Which is dish soap.
D for dish soap.
Dawn dish soap, double D.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay. I don't even know what dish soap's supposed to do.
I don't know. It's gonna make yours a weird color. Hey, I got blue, so I'm good.
Dang
I
it.
got blue and blue. Okay, guys. So next we have Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue.
My hands are dyed pink now.
Elmer's E for Elmer's glue. Okay. I have to remember to say that. I don't know why. It just makes me feel bad.
Here's just gonna. What does yellow and blue make? Green? Ah, hopefully.
I'm not gonna do a whole lot because there's not much left. But yeah. Here you go.
Sorry if this video's long, but just saying.
Wait, are we allowed to add more? I feel like you got a lot more than me.
Let's add a little more.
Like a
But
lot
then
more.
after we're done with it, you can't add any more.
Yeah. After we're done with the thing.
I know this video is like it used to be a trend, but we just were bored and we want to do a slime challenge. So next, F for foam balls. So we have two options. We have pink and blue mixed together,
Or we bought purple at the store.
I'm gonna do. I feel like
I'm
this
gonna,
will look good.
yeah, I feel like I'm gonna stick with it and just. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go
We had rainbow ones, but they're
out
gone
of the
now.
box. Yeah, they're gone now. I'm gonna go out of the box and use these.
I don't know. So I just have, so
Oh, the tab fell.
this is what it looks like so far. There. I want to mix it so bad right now, but I
Me
can't.
too. It's bugging me so bad. I can't.
You're supposed to add activator last, too.
I know. You're supposed to add activator last, and we add it first.
Because you guys realize that, like, when you're mixing it, the activator is only going to get the part of the glue. And we're going to have, like, Tide also, but, like, you know. You know what I'm saying. Okay. G for glitter. It's all the way back there.
Okay.
Fresh
we have
from
6 different types of glitter. 5 different types of glitter. I can't count.
what we're going to do, since there are a couple different glitters, we're going to have to close our eyes and pick.
Here, I'll mix.
Oh, God, my nose is dying.
Okay, pick one.
Ooh, gold. Hoping for silver, though.
I kind of want silver.
I'm going to add stuff to it.
Can you do me? Like, let me close my eyes.
Glitter. Okay. Close your eyeballs. There. Now silver.
Ooh.
Yours is a weird combination. Mine looks like cotton candy.
It's so many different colors. Look at it, Kaylee.
You have warm colors and cool colors mixed together. That's not good. I have whatever color blue is. What's pink? Don't add all of it, child.
I know. Oh, I already like half of it.
Okay. Next letter is H for hand soap, which is really foaming hand soap. But
I can't reach it. Yeah, there we go.
it's hand soap. So
Hand soap.
it is pear scent.
And if you guys watched Sis vs. Grow, we watched their video of ideas.
So like help.
And they couldn't figure out an H or an L. And we figured out an H and an L. Oh wait, I forgot to do mine.
Mine looks just peachy. We couldn't find out some of them because like
Yeah, they're
not
like too hard, like X and Y and V and
Z.
Z.
Okay, so next letter is I, but we don't have anything, and then J, we don't have anything. K, we don't have anything, but for L, we have lotion. It's
Okay.
baby lotion, but you
Yeah.
know, it's lotion.
Lotion is lotion. I wonder, do you have
If you want to know where to get some good slime ingredients for a cheap price, go to Dollar Tree. God. Good job. Ooh, it's gonna go with my slime too because it's kind of pink.
It's a lot of lotion.
I don't think I don't have that much. Crap, it's gonna melt it. Shoot.
Fine,
And,
I'm
like,
gonna add,
and if it just-
have to, I don't know.
And if it doesn't actually, like, if it doesn't end up activating, then, like, we still, if, like, one of us would end up activating and the other one wouldn't, then the other person,
Person wins.
but we would activate it to see, like, who, like,
Yeah.
but if we both don't get them activated enough, then you guys can vote
Who won?
which one looks better.
Okay.
So, and we don't have any, but for O, it's
Orbeez. Now we have a lot of different types of Orbeez
And
bags.
Orbeez kind of fall out of slime, but we can't think of anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have yellow, green, black, orange,
like a clear, like it looks like
glow in
glow
the
in the
dark,
dark, and then red. So I'm gonna mix them up, and Kaylee has to pick one of these.
My
bags.
arm is soaked in borax now. Don't eat borax, kids.
Okay, I'm done.
Ah, no!
You ruined your theme.
You have to at least add.
Well, none of these will really go with your theme.
Except bread.
Oh yeah,
You have to at least add this much.
like a handful.
Yeah.
Hey, it doesn't look too bad.
I would have wanted like red. Like, what I got?
Okay, mix mine.
Oh, shoot.
I
Look.
was trying to make you pick black, so I like put it right by the yellow, and you almost picked it.
There are Orbeez all over the table now. That's peachy.
Well, oh well, we'll clean it.
We'll clean it up after, so you guys. You have your eyeballs.
Oh yeah, sorry.
There.
I got orange. It goes with my theme. I wanted orange.
I did what you did.
Yeah.
God, okay, let's move them over here. Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna add like a couple.
Red would look good with my slime.
Here you go. As
Okay.
you can see, Orbeez all over.
But, oh well, who cares? Okay. Next is P for puffballs.
Puffballs or pom-poms, whatever you like to call them. We were gonna do paint, but you know, we already did food
These
dyes.
kind of absorb the like slime, but if you don't add too many, it's fine. I know which cup. Pick ones that go with my slime. Who's your guys' favorite artist or band? Mine is Panic at the Disco.
Don't take all of
Wait, I want one more purple one.
them.
4 to 4. Mine is Panic at the Disco. Hers is Shawn Mendes. I love Panic at the Disco. Brandon Urie. He's my celebrity crush. Let me guess, yours is Shawn Mendes.
Yes.
Kind of cute.
I
Okay.
put 5 in, one in each color. Put 8 in.
Okay, next is
S.
Q, which is there's none.
Nothing.
R is random ingredient, so we picked that for baby oil. So yeah.
Yeah.
If you watch Sis vs. Bro video, they did like where they could pick anything, but we didn't like.
We did it like,
We just didn't. What?
it's easier when you just choose one ingredient for both of us. I can't. No, I see, I got it, but then there's like that.
Got it. Baby oil makes it kind of like. There you go.
I'm not gonna add a lot. I added a lot.
Okay, so next ingredient is shaving cream.
So we
And we
have
have
a
shaving gel.
shaving cream and shaving gel.
I'm gonna add shaving cream.
I'm gonna add a bit of both.
I'm gonna add, and this makes it kind of thick, so I'm not gonna add that much. There.
Okay. Can I have some shaving gel?
We only have 2 more ingredients left. Next is Tide.
More activator.
Oh my god.
I don't know how much to
Gonna
add.
over-activate
I
that.
don't know how much to add. I'd rather have overactivated than underactivated.
Maybe a little
Loose.
more. Oh, shoot. Okay. So, U and V, we don't have anything, but for W, we have water. That's
And
the
then
last
for,
one.
yeah, and then because
X, Y, and Z, we don't have
we
anything.
don't have anything at all.
I know this was an A to Z challenge, but like,
But like Sis Bruce Bro did this too, so it's like, I'm not sure.
ah, my hands hurt when I touch borax.
Do you have cuts on your fingers?
No, it just hurts.
Oh.
Okay, now we gotta add some water. So yeah, guys, wait, we have to show them our finished product.
Okay. It's kind of hard.
Okay, guys, so this is mine.
This is mine. That's mine.
Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this up. Not too long of a video.
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay. We are mixing in. Oh god. Oh no.
Oh, it's already turning to slime. Oh, but the food dye. Oh, it's not. Oh.
Oh no. Oh god. I don't think I added.
Oh, this is not a good way to make slime, kids. Don't make slime like this. Just do it the normal way.
Hmm.
My Mine has all
Yeah, I
sorts
hate
of
to interrupt.
liquid in
And
it.
stuff put away at some point.
Okay, guys, sorry about that. My phone.
phone.
Okay, guys, so
I'm
this
going
one,
in. I'm going in with my hand.
I definitely didn't activate all the way.
I told you.
But I added to
You
it.
said I added too much, and it's still not enough.
Okay, guys, so this is very sticky.
So
I
is
mean,
mine.
it's slime, but like,
Yeah, it's really just really sticky.
this looks exactly like the slime I made earlier.
It does though. We made slime earlier. Mine
You
is
can't
like,
even see the freaking flower beads.
oh, mine is a nice color. Okay, look at mine.
I'm gonna put mine on the table. Even though it's probably gonna run away, but I'm surprised the Orbeez aren't falling out.
Oh, because it's so thick and there's a lot, and we did barely put any Orbeez in.
Oh my god, this is so sticky. If I try to poke it, like, bruh. Okay, guys, so it's really sticky. You're just sitting on camera.
Oh, they can't even see it. Oh, okay, I'll move it. I'll move it.
I'll clean up that borax spill.
Actually, it's the next level that's going to go on.
Oh, mine's so sticky.
Oh god.
Oh my god, you should.
Come on.
Okay, so guys, these are our slimes. But comment who you think. Both of ours are underactivated, but comment who.
I'm gonna activate mine some more, but like,
Yeah, we're both gonna activate ours more, but like.
so like you can see them
But
better.
like right now, before it's activated, because you have to judge before you add anything extra. Who do you think won? I know blue is a much prettier color, but still, this is like a good slime. Okay. Here, can you give me some borax?
You want borax?
Well, yeah, I don't want to waste it. Oh, you might want to move the rice in again. It's much stronger than tight. Oh, that's oh, it's warm.
Yeah, we put it in the microwave.
Okay, now, yep, that's much better now.
That cup though. It's definitely not as sticky, but I'm gonna actually add some borax. Don't add too much borax if you're using borax. But oh, it is warm. I'd recommend if you guys like for an activator for slime, I recommend Tide.
I recommend borax. Borax is good.
Borax can break your hand, make your hands break out.
Well, if you have cuts and
No.
if you're allergic to it.
I'm not allergic to it, but like just for a safe bet, if you've never used borax, just
Stick to Tide.
Tide or contact lens solution.
Yeah.
But not all contact lens solution works either. So I don't know why I'm using borax. I just am. Everything is falling out every which way. Why am I hungry? We just ate. Oh god. I'm good.
That's great. I just got it all over my shirt.
All of the freaking beads are falling out.
Same. Well, you put more than me.
Look how pretty the slime is. There's like just some flown balls sticking out of it, and you can kind of see the colors.
I don't want to wear my hair.
It's like really good. It's like not as fluffy as I wanted it to be, but like, you know.
Still good.
Why am I using borax? I normally hate borax.
Then why are you using it?
Don't ask me. It's so warm. A little bit of borax goes a long way. With contact lens solution, you have to use a lot more. Is that even mine?
No, but I see it. Yes, you have green.
Oh yeah, I did get green, I thought.
No, you didn't. You got yellow.
I think there may have been green ones in it.
I was like, I just broke an Orbeez by squishing. I literally no.
Yours looks like poop. Like
No, it
it looks
doesn't.
like yellow with like little brown specks. Cause you
Why are you
can't.
so mean? Comment. Here, we're gonna act like sisters bro. Okay. Comment. Hashtag. Poop for the win.
And comment hashtag blueberry for me.
Oh my gosh! I just realized something. You know how like all this time I've been talking about like Sebastian Bales and Lauren Garland. Well now look.
Okay, guys.
It happened again.
No offense if you guys like. I mean, I do. But you know how people think Sebastian Bale is
Like
orange,
orange.
which he kind of is. No offense if you love him. Just please don't go commenting, oh, you're rude to him. He's not. Okay, so if this was orange, then that would be Sebastian Bales, and this would be Lauren Godwin. So just think about that. Okay, so
We're boring.
This slime is very good. It's pretty fluffy. I would want it to be more fluffy though. And I wouldn't have done this color combination. Like, I would have done the blue and pink foam beads, but I wouldn't have done like the green. And I probably wouldn't have added like the beads. But like overall, it's a nice slime. There goes another Orbeez. Okay, so here, you can feel mine and I'll feel yours.
Okay.
Have a green one.
You don't have a green one.
So hers is pretty. The poop is
Yours is thick.
the poop slime is the hashtag poop slime is okay. I mean, it's like, guys, look. So if you don't see the color, like, look, it does not look like poop. It looks like poop. And is this all the borax? Do you need more borax? Here you go.
Okay, take your slime.
Take yours. So either comment hashtag blueberry for
The win.
mine's the best, and comment hashtag poop slime for Emmy's. Don't comment that. Okay guys, so hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give a thumbs up. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to be part of the Salty Crew. I'm Salty.
You're salty.
We're all salty.
salty.
Bye bye, people.